Hello traders, Gary Wagner with WFGForex.com. Our Forex Gold forecast for today, Tuesday, March the 9th. And what an interesting trading day we had. Yesterday, we saw quite a sell-off. We're looking for some sort of a buy signal. I don't know if it came too soon, but I am witnessing something quite interesting. And that is the following. First of all, we're going to draw our up channel and project that forward. And if you notice the activity that we saw today, we had this very long-legged doji after a down sell. Quite similar to this scenario that we saw here, which turned to be the absolute bottom of the market. The doji, of course, tells us consolidation. It also indicates that the current sentiment is unable to carry through. Most importantly, when we take a look at the length of the tail, it shows you that the traders were really able to take the market much lower, but unable to sustain that particular downtrend. And for that reason alone, we see a very strong indication that what we're witnessing here is just some breathing room in the market. In other words, that uptrend is going to continue. For those that realize, had it closed in this area, meaning closed here and we would have had our black candle, then that to us would have signaled that the market in fact wanted to go lower. However, because the following day, and this is today's trading day, realize that we do record in Hawaii. In Hawaii, it's currently 9 o'clock at night. So we are witnessing an update. If we continue to get that up channel, we are going to recommend a buy. In fact, I bought currently as the market is trading. So if we have follow through here, traders, my recommendation is to go long Forex Gold. Now, stop placement. Well, the only place it makes sense is going to be below this tail. The tail, we've got 1110. This is about 1119. So I'm going to say 1108 on a stop. Traders going long Forex Gold. What I also want to point out is that when we look for dojis in the market, you're going to notice that we have seen them in many instances where we were at the bottom of the market. This is our current doji. This was the doji that first signaled the buy some time ago. Of course, a shooting star up here, another shooting star up here, inverted hammer and doji here. Now, we didn't get any here. This was that brutal sell-off. We had a dark cloud cover. But in the Chicago and the COMEX Gold, we did get an actual doji here. You'll notice I'm right in here at this bottom and, of course, here. So the one thing that you can see is that the dojis throughout our trading history in gold have been very significant. Now, you'll notice a cluster of dojis here and then the market drops. It's that consolidation. You'll notice a cluster of dojis here and the market stayed to 1 degree and then moved up. So the dojis are showing you consolidation. One doji, of course, does not beckon or illustrate that we're at the bottom of the market, but most importantly, what it does tell us is that in fact the current trend is unsustainable, and in this case the short-term bearish trend that we've witnessed, which was just, as far as I'm concerned, a basic retracement of this uptrend, was what we'll look at is either traders running stops, profit taking in the market, any way you want to look at it. I still see an upward trend. What are our targets? Well, we're still going to look to, we have formed support above 120, and that's what we talked about as a critical area. I think we can clearly say from the activity that we do have support above 120. This next area that we want to look at is going to be, as we've talked about before, is just going to be above 140 and then 160, 162. Those are the targets that I am looking for the market to be able to take out. If we're able to see that, of course, we've got this next top here right below 170 and this one area here just below 1200. So these are the areas that we do want to see, if in fact the market wants to continue higher, the areas that we want to see move higher. So again, traders, I am recommending a long position in Forex Gold. I am recommending our stop at 1108. This has been Gary Wagner for WFGForex.com, your daily Forex Gold market update and forecast. And as always, I'm wishing you good trading. Bye-bye.